Welcome back to Auto World, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive industry. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the all-new 2025 ATV motorcycle. This is not just any ride, it's a game-changer in the world of off-road and urban adventure. First off, let's talk about the design. This machine is built to impress, combining the ruggedness of an ATV with the speed and agility of a motorcycle. With an aggressive stance, high ground clearance, and an aerodynamic body, it looks like something straight out of the future. The LED lighting system gives it a sleek, modern touch while enhancing visibility during night rides. Under the hood, or should we say under the frame, this beast is powered by a high-performance engine designed to tackle any terrain. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tearing up dirt trails, the 2025 ATV motorcycle delivers outstanding power and efficiency. With a lightweight yet durable frame, it offers an excellent power-to-weight ratio, making it one of the most versatile machines out there. Let's talk performance. The suspension system is engineered for maximum comfort and control, absorbing shocks like a pro even on the roughest terrains. The advanced braking system ensures safety at high speeds, giving riders the confidence to push limits. And speaking of speed, this ride doesn't hold back, it's built for thrill seekers who crave adrenaline. Technology plays a huge role in this machine's innovation. The fully digital display provides real-time stats, including speed, fuel levels, and ride mode settings. With smart connectivity, you can sync it with your smartphone for navigation, ride tracking, and even performance tuning. Some models might even feature AI-assisted riding modes to adapt to different conditions automatically. Durability is key when it comes to off-road performance, and this ATV motorcycle is built to last. The frame is reinforced for extreme conditions, and the all-terrain tires provide superior grip on mud, sand, gravel, and pavement. Whether you're an adventurer looking for the ultimate off-road experience or a commuter searching for a unique ride, this machine delivers. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. With an optimized engine and eco-friendly technology, the 2025 ATV motorcycle offers impressive mileage without compromising power. For those interested in electric options, there might be an EV variant with a high-capacity battery and rapid charging capabilities. Customization is another highlight. Riders can choose from a range of accessories, including upgraded exhaust systems, additional storage compartments, and enhanced suspension setups. The color choices and graphic designs also allow for a personalized touch, making sure your ride stands out wherever you go. Price and availability will depend on the region, but one thing's for sure, this ATV motorcycle is going to turn heads and redefine adventure riding. Whether you're into extreme sports, off-road exploration, or just want a unique ride for daily commutes, this is the perfect machine. So, what do you think of the all-new 2025 ATV motorcycle? Would you take it for a ride? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto World for more updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.